Hey writers, welcome back to Bourbon and Books. This is where we talk about all things about storytelling, smart author marketing, and specifically Pinterest. Today I want to answer a really big question that I get all the time. What are pin signals? And on top of that, why do they matter so much for authors using Pinterest? Pin signals are sort of like the secret sauce behind why your pins get seen and clicked. So let's break that down. Here is the deal. Every time you create a pin, you are just not uploading a pretty graphic. You are sending Pinterest actual data signals, little clues that help the platform figure out, number one, what your pin is about. Number two, who might want to see it. And number three, whether it is worth showing to more people. So those are three biggies. The better your signals, the better your chances of showing up in search results are, and home feeds, and all those more like this suggestions. And that's what we want. Let's go through the main pin signals that authors need to know about. The first one is the image itself. So yes, Pinterest can actually read your image. You guys, it pops up in colors and layout and even the style of your pin. Is it moody? Is it witchy? Is it light? Is it cozy? Is it horror? Is it bookish? All of that matters because Pinterest reads that data and knows who to show it to. The second thing is the pin title, and this is kind of like your prime real estate. It's your keywords. For example, if I say 10 magical books to cozy up with this fall, that is telling Pinterest something about my readers, the people that I am looking for. It's telling Pinterest and readers exactly what this pin is about, and then exactly what the content I'm sharing is about. Next is your pin description. This just changed recently. You get more space to use more keywords, to tease your book, to speak in full sentences that Pinterest's AI can understand. So it gives you more freedom. And so that pin description really is important. Number 4 is the board you save your pin to. You don't just want to pin everything to some generic author board that says author's life. You want to use specific SEO friendly board names like Witchy Reads for Fall, or marketing tips for indie authors, or NaNoWriMo tips. Be specific with your board titles because that is one of those pin signals. Number 5 is the link where your pin is going. If your pin says free character worksheet and the page you link to doesn't deliver on that promise, that is a problem. Your pin could be penalized as a result. So the pin signal is making sure that your pin and where you're sending people to line up. Number 6 is engagement. That means the saves, the clicks, the close-ups. All of these are signals too. So that's kind of out of your control, but it's still really, really important, which tells you to pay extra attention to the other pin signals so that you get likes and saves and repins. Pins that get a lot of love early on are more likely to get boosted by Pinterest algorithm. So you want to share your pin in your newsletters, Instagram, wherever you can give it a little bit of a nudge. Okay, 7 is freshness. That means fresh pins versus repinning somebody else's pin. Pinterest loves new pins. So even if you're linking to the same blog post or to a book landing page, if you switch up the visuals and the description, you are actually keeping things fresh. That is what Pinterest wants. Number 8 is the text that you put on your pin. So yes, Pinterest can read the words, their AI can, on your graphic too. So you want to use that space to use keywords to highlight your hook or your theme. Free cozy mysteries, 5 ways to plot faster, slow burn romance reads, things like that. This all matters for authors so much. Pinterest is not just a digital corkboard like we all might have thought previously. It's a search engine. Just like Google, it needs to understand what your content is about, and the pin signals that you're giving it help it to do that. So for authors, for you and for me, that means more eyes on our blog posts, more traffic to our reader magnets, more sales of our backlist, and more people discovering you, discovering me passively while we get to go right. So it's a long-term evergreen visibility thing, and it works all the time. Now, if you want to make it easy on yourself, grab my free pin signal checklist for authors. The link is below so that you can make sure every pin you post sends the right signals. And if you're ready to go deeper into batching, templates, keyword workflows, full book marketing funnels on Pinterest, then I hope you will check out my course, Pinterest Power for Authors. That link is below too. It is made for writers like you and like me. The bottom line is pin signals are not just a techie Pinterest jargon. They are really your opportunity to be found, to be followed, and to be remembered. So you want to give Pinterest the clues it needs so that you can watch your pins and your book sales and all of that grow. I will see you next time right here at Bourbon and Books, where we write well and reach readers. See ya.